Whether you're headed to a wedding, picking out clothes for work, or you simply didn't get your laundry hung up in time, having an iron that effectively erases wrinkles can keep your clothes looking crisp and clean while helping you make a great first impression. The best steam irons heat up quickly, offer multiple settings to accommodate a variety of materials, and are easy to maneuver. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best steam irons on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Rowenta Steam Force Stainless Steel Iron DW9280. If you use an iron regularly on a variety of material types, it's important to find one that has a range of heat settings, effective steam capabilities for extra tricky crinkles, and more. We love the versatility of the Rowenta Digital Display Steam Iron, which removed wrinkles from linen, cotton, and satin in just a couple of passes. However, it also works great on linen and satin. The iron doesn't have specific heat settings for satin, so we use the nylon setting, removing wrinkles in a couple of swipes. The stainless steel sole plate has over 400 steam holes, allowing the steam to smooth creases without the iron sticking. Its motion sensing detector turns on the steam setting as you move the iron back and forth, then shuts it off once you place the iron upright again so that you don't waste water or have to fiddle with the settings in between passes. Number 2. Black Plus Decker IR 1010 Steam Iron. This option from Black Plus Decker is a great choice if you want an iron that efficiently rids your clothes of wrinkles without having to splurge on an expensive appliance. Though it has many of the same features as the pricier irons we tested, the Light and Easy iron is a lot less expensive while still acting as a time-saving solution to wrinkly fabric. When testing, our experts found that the Light and Easy iron worked best on satin and cotton, removing wrinkles in just one pass. Deeper creases took a few tries to remove, though the process was still relatively effortless. Even on linen, our testers found that the iron could get rid of wrinkles easily, though deep creases were still slightly visible. You'll be able to change the temperature settings using a dial on the iron's handle, which corresponds to a chart printed below the handle. Number 3. Sunbeam Turbo Steam Iron. Dry ironing is a great way to make your clothes or fabric extra crisp, but finding a trustworthy iron that won't scorch your clothes or melt the tag can be a challenge. The Sunbeam Steam Master Steam Iron was the most effective dry iron we tested, removing wrinkles and deep creases on satin and cotton in just one swipe, though it needed a little more elbow grease to get rid of wrinkles on linen fabric. When you want a burst of steam, our testers were impressed with this iron's steam capabilities. It flattened wrinkles in 1 to 2 attempts. Built-in settings for variable steam and spray mist mode allow you to target deep wrinkles more easily, too. The retractable power cord makes it super simple to put the iron away when not in use, and you won't have to worry about fussing with a too long cord while you work. Number 4. Black Plus Decker Vitessa Cord Reel Iron. For fabric that's particularly wrinkled, the best way to target unwanted creases is to add heat and moisture, which softens the wrinkles and helps reverse the process that created them in the first place. The Black Plus Decker Vitessa Steam Iron is exceptional at just that. Our testers found this iron to be particularly powerful at flattening creases on multiple types of fabric. While many other irons we tested took at least a few swipes to get rid of deep creases, we found that this Black Plus Decker option made wrinkles disappear from cotton and linen in a single pass across the material when using the steam setting. The Black Plus Decker Steam Iron also stood out to our testers because of its other perks, like the retractable power cord for easy storage, the anti-drip feature that eliminates water leaking out of the sole plate, and the automatic shutoff for added peace of mind. Number 5. Rowenta Perfect Pro Stainless Steel DG8624 Blue. If doing the laundry frequently includes ironing wrinkles out of clothing, tablecloths, or other fabrics, the Rowenta Perfect Pro iron is a great investment. While it's more expensive than other models, we found it to be exceptionally capable of cutting through deep wrinkles on multiple fabric types. The most notable feature on the Perfect Pro iron is its extra-large water tank, which doubles as a docking station when you're not using the iron. If you tend to spend a large chunk of time ironing, the 37-ounce water tank allows you to keep working longer, up to 90 minutes, without having to stop and refill. During testing, our experts found that this steam iron was quite versatile. It performed well on linen, cotton, and satin napkins with similar effectiveness. While it took a few passes across each fabric to flatten the wrinkles, we found it to be a pretty quick and easy job. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.